Fancy dress speech on Savitribai Phule. If you educate a boy, you educate one person. But if you educate a girl, you educate an entire family. These words reflect my life's mission. Greetings to everyone. I am Savitribai Phule, a teacher, a reformer, and a firm believer that education is every child's right. There was a time when girls were not allowed to go to school. Many believed that education was only for boys. But I refuse to accept this injustice. Along with my husband, Jyotirao Phule, I opened the first school for girls in Pune. My mission was not just to teach children to read and write, it was to give the confidence, dignity, and hope. Today, I ask every child here, value your education, respect your teacher, and never stop learning. Knowledge is the greatest gift you can ever receive. I am proud to remember as a teacher who opened the doors of education for thousands of girls. Thank you and Jai Hind.